you go, Mummy Truck. Your indicators will work fine now. Lucky I always carry spare bulbs. It's Molly playing with her favourite toy. And Baby Truck too. Make sure you share it. Oh, Baby Truck, you've got a boo-boo, but you'll be okay, I promise. Molly? Let's take a look at you now, Molly. Are you okay? Huh? Oh no! Molly is leaking oil. I don't have the tools to fix her here. We need to get you back to the garage. Fast! I'm going to need your help, Baby Truck. Can you keep the road clear so I can get Molly to the garage quickly? Everyone, let's move at speed. It's time to help a vehicle in need. Huh? Oh no! Eric and Dylan are blocking the road. Thanks, Eric and Dylan. Well done, Baby Truck. Grab your tools, it's fixing time. And while we fix, we say this rhyme. Don't worry, Molly, we're here for you. Our fix will make you good as new. Teamwork and tools will help us mend any part of any friend. We weld and fix and check and then stick all the parts together again. This fix has made you as strong as before, so you won't leak oil anymore. Oh, we couldn't have done it without your help, Baby Truck. Oh, and look! Blue's fixed the toy truck. Well done, Blue. And great sharing, you two. I'm so proud of you both. Bye, everyone. Oh, what's wrong, Green? Whoa! Cat and Helena are here for us to fit the brand new gadget. Get ready, Mechanicals. Green? Hola, Gecko! Oh, hi, Cat. Haha, time to fit some extra special kit. Go, go, Mechanicals!
May I talk with her, Gecko?
Thanks, Cat.
What is wrong, Corazon? Would you like to help me with something?
All done and ready for a test run. Wait, we can't test it without Green.
Sometimes I don't feel so great too, but sad feelings will pass, like the clouds.
We're ready on the ground, Cat. Go, go, Helena Helicopter.
All yours, Green. I believe in you.
Oh, great job, Cat! That was amazing!
It was all Green.
Oh, well done, Green! Hello, Bobby. Oh, dear. Let's replace that old bumper. All right, Mechanicals. Could you take the bumper off, please? Very carefully. Oh, steady. Steady. Oh, careful, Mechanicals. We need to work together. Oh, thanks, Green. Oh dear. You'll need to finish the repair yourselves, Mechanicals. Phew! Thanks, Green. Oh, Mechanicals, you need to work together. Oh, nice work, Mechanicals. See what a little teamwork can do. All done, Bobby. Nice catch, Green. Thanks, Mummy Truck. Thanks, Mama Recycle. So far, so good. Remember, everyone, it's Valentine's Day, and we're helping Baby Truck make a dinner for her mummies. It's a big secret, so shh. You get it ready. I'll keep the mummies busy. We've got to make sure your hubcaps are clean, Mama.
Huh?
Must have been, the wind? Come on, let's check your bolts are tight enough. Whew. There we go. All done. Ta-da! Happy Valentine's Day, Mummy and Mama. Oh, you're welcome. But it was all Baby Truck's idea. Oh. Well done, Baby Truck. Your mummies are so grateful. Hello, everyone. The Mechanicals are bouncing on our new trampoline. Oh, look. Max and Molly are here for a checkup. Come on, it's time to help our friends. You're up first, Molly. Come inside, Yellow. You can't keep bouncing on your own. It's not safe without a grown-up around to keep an eye on you. All done, Molly. Your turn, Max. Max, where are you? That's not like him. And it's getting dark. We need to find Max fast. Don't worry, Molly. We'll find your brother. He can't have gone far. Spread out, Mechanicals. We need to find him before it gets too dark. Where could Max have gone? Tyre tracks on the trampoline? That means Max must have bounced right up to the roof. Don't worry, Max. We'll get you down safely. And I have an idea how. Tilly! Hello, friend. Can we use your tow rope, please? We need it to lower Max down off the roof. It's okay, Max. The rope will stop you falling, and your monster truck wheels will help you roll onto the ground. That's it, Max. Nice and steady. Well done, Max. You did it. Now we'll need to repair your damage. What tools do we need? Wrench. Screwdriver. Gecko's Garage, time to fix. Gecko's Garage, let's fix this. First unscrew these broken lights, then screw in new ones shining bright. Let's take a look at your horn too. Oh dear, that won't do. We'll bolt in place a new horn here. We hear you loud and clear. Max and Molly's new lights are perfect for helping you watch the mechs having fun on the trampoline. Oh, to make sure you're safe. Goodbye, everyone. Hello, everyone. Today, we're at the beach for some rest and relaxation. Whoa! Careful with your belongings, Blue, or you might lose them. Oh, fantastic work, Eric and Dylan. And you too, Blue.
Hola, Gecko. What a spectacular sand garage.
Thanks, Cat. Did you find any buried treasure with your metal detector?
See, whenever my detector finds something made of metal, it makes this sound.
Amazing! It's a treasure trove. What a perfect end to a great day at the beach. Time to go home. Rusty wrenches! Where are my garage keys? Did they fall in the sand?
The keys are made of metal. Let's look for them with my metal detector.
Great idea, Cat.
There. I think your keys are inside the sand garage.
Inside? I must have dropped them while making the sand garage. Thanks, Cat. Now to get them out.
Hurry! The sun is setting and soon it will be too dark to find them.
Hang on, Red. Our friends Eric and Dylan worked very hard on this sand garage. Digging might destroy it.
If only we could pull the keys out without breaking the sandcastle.
That's it, Cat. We can use a magnet to find the keys. But we're going to need some help. What tools do we need? Wrench, screwdriver. Gecko's Garage, time to fix. Gecko's Garage, let's fix this. A magnet instead of spades and hands will pull the keys through the sand. We'll attach this magnet to Eric's arm to reach the keys without doing harm. Eric's arm will help us reach the keys hidden underneath this beach.
Meow wow! That must be the keys.
Yes, indeed. This way, Eric. Phew! We got the keys! And the sand garage is safe. Now let's head on home. Wait, where did Blue go?
We might need a bigger magnet for this one.
I think you're right. Goodbye, everyone. Come on, Mechanicals. We have Fiona fire truck in today. Whoa!
I'm Wilbur T. Weasel, owner of Weasel's Wheels, fully automated to fix things fast.
Hello, Mr. Weasel. I'm Gecko.
Oh, here's my first customer. Every job is quickly done, so Weasel's Wheels is #1. See you, Frog.
The name's Gecko.
OK, Floella. Won't take long. I'm not too sure which button starts the service. Oh, pressing them all should do the trick. Come again, Felicity.
That was quick. Oh dear, she doesn't look good. Come in, Fiona. Let's have a look. That's the problem. Weasel was in such a rush to get things done that he put soap in your tank instead of oil. We fixed the problem properly. Now Fiona's running bubble-free.
I'm sure I pressed the right button. Oh, yuck!
Oops! See you again soon at Gecko's garage.